The make or break of a lash fill is to remove lashes that are grown out and imperfect.
Here's an example of a grown-out fan. You'll know when you see it.
They either stick out a lot more than the rest, or they're dangling. You want to remove the lashes that are 2 millimeters or more from the base.
Here's another example of a grown-out fan that's also imperfect. And what we mean by imperfect are fans that are closed, twisted, or stuck together.
So here we're going to show you how we like to remove fans with the crushing method.
This method is pretty much squeezing the extension off of the natural lash.
We recommend using a separate set of tweezers, only for removal.
You want to avoid using your good lashing tweezers because you might wear out the sweet spot and damage its grip and tension.
First, you want to isolate the grown-out lash.
Then with the isolation tweezer, hold the base of the natural lash tightly. You can also wiggle your tweezers so that the extension and the natural lash come apart.